Hello Disney family! I am so excited to be doing today's video because I'm going to be sharing my best tips for utilizing the Dollar Tree for your next Disney cruise vacation. Let's go maximize that dollar. So first, Dollar Tree has so many different kinds of bandages that you can use. I got these. They were latex free, which is really great for anybody with allergies. And of course, they just have tons of different kinds of medicines if you need them, as well as these different kinds of travel size type things. We'll kind of take a close-up, I'm sure. Here's a pill box. We're actually going to get into way more pill boxes than that because I found a ton more. But here are just some Kleenex. And then they also have got different hand sanitizer. Here is an herbal essences conditioner and shampoo. And here is a shower travel kit that I actually got because it had the loofah with it, which I just thought was amazing. And then it had all different kinds of container sizes, which I thought was just perfect for anything that you may need to use. And there's also this travel size Crest toothpaste and a toothbrush. They have just all kinds of different travel size things that you can kind of look at. And there's Pampers. There's just so many different name brands. And the thing about Dollar Tree is that it is constantly changing. They're constantly moving things in and out, and all different Dollar Trees are different. So if you don't find something at one, you can always go look at another to find something that you may have missed or that you were looking for specifically that you may have seen. So here's a deodorant. Here are those pill boxes that I was talking about. They have so many different kinds. And I know that I had mentioned this pill cutter specifically. It worked fantastic when I was pregnant with my girls. I needed to use it and bring it for travel, and it was just a perfect thing to bring. Obviously the boat can get loud, so here are some earplugs. There's also an eye mask that I found, and it's just great depending on where your room is. You never know what kind of disruption you may have, so these are just great to carry along. Here are some more travel size things. And then also these are great. These are for condiments, but they're actually great for utilizing lotion, or if you want to bring shampoo or conditioner that you may have special that you want to travel with, but you don't want to bring the full size. Here is another toothbrush and toothpaste. Now this has long been one of my favorite ideas, and it is laundry bags. I love this idea so much. They have pop-up ones and drawstring ones, and they're just perfect. Next are these storage bags for maybe a nicer dress or a suit, and then these vacuum storage bags, which really help you save space in your suitcase. And then there are these over-the-door hooks, which are perfect, especially in a cruise room when they're a little bit smaller and you just need some extra hanging space. Now I love these plastic bags for anything, and obviously you just saw some mini. They have Frozen, they have princesses, which are really fun if you have a kid who enjoys that kind of stuff. And then they have plain ones as well, and they have name brands. Here is the hefty, here's the quart size, which is the size that you can use on an airplane. And then they also have some larger ones, which I also think are great for using in your luggage. Now because you're on a cruise ship and you're sharing such a small space with so many people, I think these Lysol disinfecting wipes are perfect. There's 15 to a pack, and then if you want to do some laundry, they have laundry stuff there. Dollar Tree has several different sunglass choices, which I think is a really easy $1 investment, especially if you're worried about ruining yours. They also have lots of sunglasses cases. They had an eyeglass fixing kit, which I thought was amazing. They have little eyeglass lanyards, which I thought was really cool. And then just like tons and tons of different lens wipes and sunglass cases. Now, I had never seen luggage tags before, so I was really, really excited to see that. And then they also had some umbrellas, which I love more than ponchos, but they do have ponchos if you're more of a poncho person. Now next we're going to get into fish extenders. And if you don't know what a fish extender is, go look it up. I will try and link something above, I think probably to Michael's channel. If you don't know who Michael K is, he does amazing cruise vlogs, and I will link his fish extender video above. But these next few things are some materials for fish extenders, which I will be going into a whole video about fish extender ideas and some DIYs that I did that were easy for you guys to be able to utilize. Now on the cruise line you will have a key card, and so a lanyard is just a great way to keep your key card with you at all times and around your neck. With that said, there's only one light switch in the room, so these are a great alternative to having some lower lighting in your room. Next are these dry erase boards, and they're very popular to kind of mount on the front of your door. All the doors are magnetic, if you didn't know, and the back of these dry erase boards are magnetic, but if you're going with friends or family, they can leave you little messages, which I think is just so much fun, so I got this bright pink one. But I found a bunch of different ones. Now they didn't have the magnets on the back, so I just hot glued them. So here is a Guardians of the Galaxy, a Cars, a Toy Story one, and then my favorite, which I'm actually using as a fish extender gift, is this Pirates of the Caribbean for Pirate Night. So I'll be using these magnets to hot glue on the back of those pirate message boards, but like I said, the doors are all magnetic, so these are great to also hang little papers or anything like that. These magnetic clips I thought were fantastic because they actually clip. And then these are going to be used for a DIY. Now these next ideas are just some ideas if you have some kids in your fish extender groups or just some kids in your groups. These are just like cute little kid gifts that I thought they would enjoy. I hope you guys enjoyed that Disney Cruise Dollar Tree shop with me. If you did, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. And if you have enjoyed my Disney family, go ahead and hit that little red subscribe button. I would love for you to stick around. And as always, I hope to make your trip just a little more magical. See you guys real soon. Bye.